Okay, what I'm going to do with this video here is show you how the new remote control R2 works. There's a switch on the back that you have to turn on, and then also on the remote there's a switch to turn on, and then two control buttons here. You see, first one makes noise, makes him go forward. Second one, you spin it around and he just does all kinds of turns here. You gotta point it at him to make it really try to get him to go. There he goes. That's your remote control R2. It's pretty cool. I've been driving the cats nuts with it all morning.